Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, are you excited to start my own lesson for today? Okay, let's start. But let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Let's spell the word Wednesday together. Wednesday. Again. Wednesday. And the date is 21 1 14 42 after Hijrah. Again, today is Wednesday. Let's spell the word Wednesday together. Wednesday. And the date is 21 1 14 42 after Hijrah. Okay, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. First of all, who is your best friend? Told you last time that you should give me a complete sentence, right? My best friend is, for example, Sarah. So, who is your best friend? My best friend is Sarah. Okay, if I want you to answer with two or more than two friends, I should ask you, who are your best friends? Who are your best friends? You should answer this question by saying, my best friends are Sarah, Amal, and Layla. Okay, girls? So, let's spell the word friends together. Friends. Friends. Of course, the word friends is a noun. So, now I want you to make a sentence using the word friends. For example, I love my friends, right? Now, here we have my name is, for example, my name is Lulu. The contraction of writing my name is my names. And instead of writing S, you can add apostrophe, then S. Okay, girls? We call it contraction. Now let's start my own lesson for today, which is Unit 1, Lesson 2. And it's about my friends. Please, girls, open your books, page 6 and 7, and write the day with the date, please. Write the day with the date on your box on page number 6 and 7. Write the day with the date, please, girls, on page number 6 and 7. Now, let's start my own lesson for today by a beautiful picture. Who can tell me? What can you see in this picture? I can see a zoo. Let's spell the word zoo. Z-double-O. I can see a zoo with so many animals. Bravo, with so many animals like lion, monkey, giraffe, elephant. Okay? Now, so I can see a zoo with so many elephants, right? Now, let's see. What is the first word in our lesson today? What can you see here? I can see so many animals. So the first word is animals. Again, animals. Let's spell the word animals together. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Again, together, please. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Again, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Okay? Now, the word animals is a noun. For example, let's make a sentence using the word animals. I can see so many animals in the zoo. Let's see picture number 2. Or what is this animal? This animal is elephant, right? Elephant. Elephant. Again, together, please. Elephant. Elephant. Again. Elephant. Okay, let's make a sentence using the word elephant. The elephant has a big nose. The elephant has a big nose. So word number 1 is animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. 2, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Word number 3 is what? What is this animal? It's a giraffe. So let's spell the word giraffe together, please. Giraffe. Giraffe. It is a giraffe. Giraffe. So animals, elephant, giraffe. And the last word in our lesson today is what? It's a monkey. Bravo. Let's spell the word monkey together. Monkey. 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 Word number one is animals. Two, elephant, giraffe, and monkey. Now let's use a and an. As I told you before, class, we use the article an if the word is singular and if the word starts with vowel letters. Okay, what are the vowel letters, class? The vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. So let's see. The first word, let's see the first sentence. Sorry, class. The first sentence, I ate apple yesterday. We have the word apple. The word apple starts with letter A. So I should use a or an. I should use an. I ate an apple yesterday. 2. Amal has a cute cat. Why should I use a? Because we have letter C, and letter C is not a vowel, it's a consonant. Sarah is a teacher. Why should I use a? Because letter T is a consonant, it's not a vowel. I ate egg. It starts with letter E, and letter E is a vowel, so I should use an. Amal ate a banana, and the last sentence, she has a beautiful room. She has a beautiful room. So the last sentence here, we have the word beautiful, and this word starts with letter B. So the word letter B is a consonant, it's not a vowel, so I should use a. She has a beautiful room. Now I want you to use is, am, or are. First of all, what are the personal pronouns that I should use with the verb to be? I am, she is, he is, it is. They are, you are, we are. Okay, when I say Amal, Amal is a singular noun, so Amal is. When I say Amal and Sarah, we have two nouns, so I should use Amal and Sarah are. Okay, girls, number one. Let's do number one together. Number one, she, then a space of a teacher. She is a teacher. Why should I use is? Because we have she, and she is a personal pronoun, a singular personal pronoun. Number two, they are good students. They, plural personal pronouns, so I should use are. Three, I am a policeman. Okay, now girls, please open your books and don't forget to write the day with the date on page number 6 and 7. Let's listen together.
Rhythms and sounds. Exercise 1. Listen and chant. Hello chant. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, let's chant, girls. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. And you. Now let's listen and pronounce exercise number 2.
Exercise 2. Listen and pronounce. 1. I'm.
I'm. I'm.
2. Fine.
Fine. Fine.
3. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So 1, I am. 2, fine. 3, thank you. Now listen and chant. Goodbye chant, girls.
Exercise 3. Listen and chant. Goodbye chant. Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, goodbye. I'll see you again.
So let's chant, girls. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you. Goodbye, goodbye. Oh, see you again. Now pass the greeting down the line. Now listen, girls, please, and pass the line, please.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Wait.
How are you?
Fun time. Exercise 4. Greeting relay. Pass the greeting down the line. Are you ready? Let's start.
How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
Sorry, girls.
How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. 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 We're finished.
Okay, good.
Okay, girls. How can you do this exercise? How can you do this exercise, girls? Then pass the line till the last boy, girls. Till the last boy. Okay? Class, do it till the end. Okay? Do it till the last boy. Now let's see this exercise. Open your activity book, please.
Hi, how are you? Are you ready for goal 3? Good. Let's start. I can chant the hello chant or the goodbye chant. Exercise 1. Listen and chant. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, goodbye. I'll see you again. Great, you did it. Now trace the light gray words. Then do exercise 2.
Okay, class. Now I want you to trace the light gray words. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Then trace and write letter C. Then we have here also light gray words. I want you to trace these words, then trace and write letter D. Okay, girls? Now, this is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next week.